good stuff.
Yeah, back for some good skincare stuff. And so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make a DIY sugar scrub. Using any type of oil that you want to use. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go, sorry, I have a little piece of hair in my hat and it's just like, dangling. So we're going to put some of the sugar scrub on her. You can use any jar that you have that you've used previously or put it in a bowl, but you want to put it in an airtight
so it doesn't dry
container so it doesn't dry out.
Yeah.
So go ahead and put that stuff on.
See, this next batch, we need a little bit
Bit more oil.
Yeah.
And so we just kind of, like I was telling her, we need to make some sort of exfoliation.
I want to dump it all over the counter.
That's fine. For her because she's got some dry skin patches from her psoriasis. And so whenever she's ready to exfoliate, we're having her do it at least once to twice a week. It just depends on the schedule and all that stuff. So what she's doing is she's moving, if you can tell, she's moving it in circular motions all across her skin to get all that excess dead skin away from her face. This is perfect to do right before you do your makeup, and then put some moisturizer on, moisturize your face, and then do your makeup, because it just, I don't know what it does, it makes your makeup so much better and flawless. Yeah, it sets better on the face.
I highly recommend when you do this, don't do it with your eyes open. I've already got it in my eyes once and it's not fun. Ah, you're gonna get there right now! I don't want to wear this stuff because it's got oil in it, so it's really big. Quit.
I'm just having fun.
I don't want to have fun. I don't want to wear this because it's extremely oily, and I've got it in my hair before, and I was just like, oh, such a gross feeling. Like, you can see my face is probably beet red right now.
Yeah, it is.
And it's because I wouldn't say sensitive skin, but because I have psoriasis on my face, my face is kind of a little ticked off. But it goes down as soon as I rinse it off and wash my face really good. You'll see, because while she's showing you how to make it,
it's all about consistency.
And I have not been consistent with this stuff either.
No, I mean in the products, like sugar and the oils. I just kind of makeshifted an exfoliation, like a DIY sugar scrub for her, so that she can exfoliate her face, and it would make her face a little bit better with the psoriasis that she has, because it gets all those dead cells away from her face.
Okay, so
she's gonna rinse it off.
I'm gonna rinse my face, and I'm gonna go rinse this out. You know what?
So we will be back in a few minutes. Hi, so as she is doing her scrub right now, I'm gonna show you how to use this. And you basically just get an airtight container. You're gonna put some sugar in there. Lots of sugar. There we go. I did it 3/4 of the way. And for the oils, you can do like an olive oil. You can do like a coconut lavender oil, or any type of oil that you have, like rose hip oil or anything. Or you can even do argan oil. Or what you can do is you can mix the two oils together with the sugar. And I'm just gonna drop some of that oil into the sugar. And then I'm just gonna use my finger and kind of swirl it. I could have used a spoon, but I forgot to get a spoon. Swirl it around. And there's no recipes, just drop some oil, drop some sugar, get a feel for the consistency. And as you can tell, it's like coming together. Huh?
Some bum cream. Sorry. I know you have your hands a little messy, so.
Yeah. So I'm doing a mix of oils. I'm doing argan and the coconut lavender.
Ooh.
So Argan oil has really good benefits to your skin and hair and nails.
Absolutely.
So coconut oil is really good too.
My face feels so soft. You can definitely feel a difference once you've exfoliated really, really well.
Yeah. Make sure you moisturize after. It's so important to do your skincare before your makeup or at night.
Guilty confession, I never ever took care of my face or my skin until I met Heather. So, shout out. My face is super red right now, but that will calm down probably in the next few minutes.
Yeah.
Just as it kind of, it's like, oh, moisture.
And you just keep putting oil in there
To get the right consistency.
to get the right consistency. If it gets too oily, add more sugar. If it gets too sugary, add more oil. It's foolproof.
Well, unless I did it.
What do you mean, unless you did it?
It'd get screwed up if I did it.
Nah.
See, with my face feeling the way it does, it makes me want to put on a full face of makeup.
Well, we can do that. And you wanted to kind of coat the sugar in the...
Because that sugar is what's going to give you that scrubbing effect.
Yeah, it's the exfoliation. You can either use sugar, you can use sand, you can use anything that's a little bit rough, like even crushed walnuts you can use.
Ow. I would go with the sugar because, like, I had some on my lip and I didn't realize I didn't wash it all off. I was like, that's good. I wouldn't suggest eating it, though.
No. But that's the DIY sugar scrub.
Got a new batch for, what, a good 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah. Yeah, because
So-
she does it like once or twice a week, or
Yeah.
do you?
I should do
one.
it more often, but, I mean...
Yeah. But your schedule, you know,
but you can
their
see the
schedules
redness
and
is dying
stuff.
down. On here, it was a little worse because I rubbed pretty vigorously on this side, but
Yeah.
my face, I mean, feels so much soft. Look, it feels like your skin. She's got naturally baby soft skin, and I'm just like, oh.
Even on my arms and everywhere else, it's all like, but you know,
She's got baby skin, and
a
I'm
little
jealous.
bit, just a little
She's
bit.
got leather lizard skin.
No, I think it's just because you
I've always been an outdoorsy person.
you were
too.
an outdoors person, and I never really was an
Yeah.
outdoorsy. I was like, I'm gonna stay in, watch me some
Sesame
TV.
Street.
No, not Sesame Street. TV and movies, and I never really. I
Movie
mean,
buff.
I go outside, but yeah, I'm a
This
huge
one,
movie-
you name it, she's probably seen it.
movie buff. So.
Especially the old ones. I'm just kidding.
Ooh, some shade over here is going
Shade?
on. Shade?
Got plenty of light. What are you talking about?
No, not from you.
JK.
So, yes, she's joking with me. She jokes a lot. So, anyways, I hope that we hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for new videos, comment down below. Let us know what you think we should do next for our next video.
Be sure to subscribe.
Yes, please make sure you subscribe so that you can subscribe to our tribe.
To Twibe?
Tribe.
We got it.
To our tribe. Subscribe to our tribe so that we know that you care. And share if you dare. I think we got the jingle backwards or whatever.
We have to practice that one.
Yeah, we are. Anyways, we'll see you
see you guys later.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.